Hey, my name is Garrett Turner from Recording Connection. My experience with Recording Connection was really dope, to be honest. I got a lot of real life experience with Pro Tools and the engineering side of it. I got experience recording people and mixing my own vocals, mixing my own beats. So it definitely took my music to another level. First off, I would like to thank Doug, who taught me basically the basics of Pro Tools, got me my feet wet in it, and then I would like to thank Parker, who was my mentor for the rest of the time, who really taught me Pro Tools in and out, from mixing vocals to mixing my beats to everything I needed to learn. And I would also like to thank Mac, too, for giving me my first opportunity to mix a song. It was definitely a nice thing to do because I don't really mix other people's songs. I really just do my own stuff. So it was definitely nice to have an opportunity to mix somebody else's music. So all in all, it's been a real dope experience. It made my music a lot better. And yeah, I can't say enough about it. It was definitely a dope real life experience, better than what school could have gotten me. It was real life, what would really go down in the studio. So I appreciate all the support from advisors to my mentors to everybody involved. I would like to thank you again. I'm out.